Hey there fellow RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Lilia, and I've been in the RV lock customization business for a solid 14 years. Today we're stoked to show you our awesome recessed floor cabinet locks. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the colors. We've got black, white, red, and blue. Whether you want a sleek, understated look or a bold pop of color, we've got you covered. These colors aren't just for show. They're designed to match different RV interior styles, so your cabinets can look as good as they function. Now the material. These locks are made from PA6 nylon. Why PA6? Well, it's super durable and corrosion resistant. When you're out on the road, your RV faces all kinds of weather and wear. With PA6, you don't have to worry about these locks giving out. They'll stand up to the test of time and the elements. Let's get into the technical stuff. The hole size for installation is 50 millimeters. That's a standard size that makes installation a breeze. And speaking of installation, these locks are designed to be embedded, so they sit flush with your cabinet doors, giving a clean, seamless look. When it comes to door panel thickness, we've got options. The regular ones fit 2 to 13 millimeters panels, which covers most standard RV cabinets. But if you've got thicker panels, say 14 to 18 millimeters, don't sweat it. We do custom sizes too. Just let us know and we'll make sure you get locks that fit perfectly. Let's talk about how they work. The pull ring is ergonomically designed so it's super easy to grip and use. When you close the door or drawer, the internal spring automatically retracts the bolt, which then latches onto the strike plate. It's a smooth, reliable action every time. No more worrying about doors flying open while you're driving down bumpy roads. Installing these locks is a piece of cake. They come with screws and all the necessary hardware so you can get them set up in no time. No need for complicated tools or a lot of DIY know-how. We've seen these locks used in all sorts of RV setups. From sleek modern RVs to more rugged off-road rigs, they fit right in. They're perfect for securing your gear, kitchen supplies, or anything else you need to keep safe and sound while you're on the move. Over the past 14 years, we've worked with countless RV owners, manufacturers, and custom builders. We know what works and what doesn't when it comes to RV locks. These recessed floor cabinet locks are the result of all that experience, combining functionality, durability, and style. If you're in the market for new locks for your RV, or if you're building a custom rig and want top-notch hardware, give these a look. And remember, if you need something custom, we're here for you. Hit us up in the comments or send us a message, and let's make your RV cabinets secure and stylish. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Happy RVing!